Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve hotspot problem on Poco phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video here. Firstly, you can see the setting option. So friends, here you have to tap on setting. When you move on the setting from here, you have to scroll on the down, and here you can see the option of connection and sharing. So you just need to tap on the connection and sharing. When you move on the connection and sharing, from here you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling, and here you can see the reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. So friends, here you have to tap on the reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. When you click on it, here you can see the Wi-Fi mobile data Bluetooth. Okay, so if you have the hotspot problem or any problem, okay, it just this 3 points it just included, there is etc many points. Okay, so if you want to solve the network problem, hotspot problem, internet problem, what you need to do is that on the down you can see the reset settings. Okay, you just need to tap on this reset setting. When you click on the reset setting, here you can see the reset all network settings. Now this might take several seconds, you won't be able to undo these actions. Okay, it will not take several seconds, also it will just take the 3 seconds to 5 seconds. Okay, so don't worry, just tap on okay, it will solve your network problem. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.